How to withdraw money from 1xbet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can withdraw money from 1xbet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to withdraw money from 1xbet, first of all open 1xbet and make sure that you log into your account. And let's say you happen to win a certain amount of money that you would like to withdraw. First of all, you can just come to the menu page here and you should be able to see different sort of options here. Now you might also want to make sure to link your payment method. If you haven't done so, you can just tap the deposit option here in order to making sure to link your payment method depending upon whichever you want to link. You can see different type of payment systems that are currently available over here. Now another thing that you can do is just tap the gear icon and here you'll find the withdraw button, so tap on withdraw and here you should be able to see a list of payment methods that are available for you to withdraw from. Select certain payment method and then enter your payment details to withdraw your funds to that account. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically withdraw on 1xbet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.